2024 has been a remarkable year for Kaneka Ubiquinol APAC. A year of achievements, milestones, and meaningful connections. We celebrated excellence with 3 prestigious awards, a testament to our unwavering commitment to innovation and quality. Multiple brand launches brought our mission to life as we expanded our reach and impact. Through collaboration and shared vision, we continued our partnerships with our valued KOLs, who have been unwavering in their support. From national conferences to global platforms, we were present, proactive, and proud. As we look ahead to 2025, we carry forward the momentum, innovation, and collaborative spirit that made 2024 our best year yet. None of this would have been possible without our exceptional teams, R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and sales. Together, as one team, we've overcome challenges, driven results, and celebrated each milestone with pride and unity. As we look ahead to 2025, we carry forward the momentum, innovation, and collaborative spirit that made 2024 our best year yet. With PR efforts and campaigns always active across the region, and features like the House of Wellness keeping us in the spotlight, we've truly stayed connected and engaged. Thank you for being part of this journey. Together, we're shaping a brighter future in good health. Powered by Kaneka Ubiquinol.